Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live chat on Amazon with the customer service. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account and click on your profile icon. Here in this menu, you can see customer service. Simply click on it. Now scroll down until you see something else. Click on I need more help under something else. Now, click on start chatting now. Now, you can see I'm chatting with a bot right now. Now what we can do is, we can ask the bot if we can talk to a human. Just like that, we have successfully learned how to live chat on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.